and run with my channel. I've been creating content about sports betting. I've been posting videos about sports betting, and you can see that recently my videos didn't go viral. Okay, the videos don't go viral, so I'm going to show you some of the videos and the RPM that I've been gaining from the longer videos. Okay, so I have some longer videos that I posted, so let me check this video, the RPM, and I'll show you how much YouTube has been paying me on all the channels. Okay, so this video, you can see I had 136 days videos. That is 3 months ago I posted this video, and the click-through rate was good, and then the notch. So today I have not had any video view. That gave me 4 watch time, and then I had 0.07 cents on it with 136 views, and then impression click-through rate. So I want to show you the what we call the revenue, the RPM. The RPM is what advertisers pay on the video. So you could see that the advertisers are willing to pay $1.42 on the video. Okay, this is how much advertisers pay, and you can see here this one, the RPM. Okay, this RPM is what I will be making per 1,000 views. So if I get 1,000 views on this video, I'll get 50 cents on this video. Okay, and I have videos that had a lot of views, big RPM. Okay, I had videos that had big RPM. Let me check this video too, so stay tuned. I will tell you more about this then. Okay, so this, I had 346 views on this one, and it keep on getting me views, 19 to, so I had 25 cents. Okay, which means this video, 25 cents is very huge for the 346 views, which means I could have hit more than $1 when the video hits like 1K. So let me show you the audience. So you can see that the audience came from Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa. That's where the audience came from, and the revenue here was RPM. The CPM is $1.86, and then here too they are paying 0.71 cents for every 1,000 views. Okay, and then let me check another video. I want some big videos, longer videos, to show you more about this. Is 226 16 views. I had 29 cents. You could see that this video gave me more money than the one that had almost 400 views, the one after this one. So you could see that the RPM here, is $3. So for this video, the advertisers were paying $3.57. So before you can make more money on this one, the more the advertisers pay money, the more you are getting more money. Okay, the more advertisers pay money, the more you are getting a lot of money. So you can see that the RPM, if I had 1,000 views, I'm going to get $1.36 per every 1,000 views. And there are videos that can give you more than 15 CPM. There are videos that the advertisers are willing to pay a lot of money. There are videos that the advertisers are willing to pay a lot of money. That videos is about money making, educational videos, technology videos. But if you just want to build your audience, then you can start by showing this video or creating content about sports. Sports betting is one of the least channels that they pay money. You see this, I had 1,600 views and had 1.5 cents, $1.50, 53 cents. So let's see the RPM on this video. You can see that the RPM, they are paying $3 on this video. So which means I am getting 92 cents per 1.6k per 1k view. So you can see how this one is also looks like. It's been a while I posted on this channel, but unfortunately I'm still making small money on this. You can see that the watch time is very small, and the revenue I'm making here is also a bit, it's let me say, without posting videos is good. Yeah, without posting videos is a little bit good. So imagine if I've been posting videos every day on it, I would have been making some cool cash from this one. I remember when I started without this number of subscribers, I was making around $40 per month on this channel. I was making around $40 per month, so I stopped. So when you stop on the channel and you try to start again, you see that the channel becomes somehow new. I posted this video yesterday, and you see I had only 43 views, 4 likes, and you can see that the channel become very new. So you have to start posting consistently. So when you start something, just be consistent. You can see that the last video was 47 days ago that I posted a video. So that is how it is, and that is how YouTube pays. And your geographical location also counts. If you can make a lot of money from YouTube, you have to consider your geographical location. If I have this, someone was having this channel and staying at UK, Canada, Australia, this person will be making a lot of money from my videos or from these same videos than me staying in Africa. Okay, than me staying in Africa. So that's how it works. You can create videos that you can target countries from other continents like Australia. You can do your research and make videos that you can target people from that area, that people are searching from USA, Canada, Australia, and then Germany. You can target people from that area. So this is how it is. Choose a niche that is paying well. Choose your geographical location also count, and then the advertisers, the amount of money advertisers pay also count. Then your content should be one of the your first priority. Yeah, your content, because your content should go about content that pays a lot of money. Yes, content that people are willing to pay a lot of money, like finances, and then educational, technology content, and those types of this thing, they pay a lot of money. Content like real estate development, those content have a lot of money or CPM on them. So this is how much I've been gaining from this channel. It's not that much. So if you have been trying that, I want to depend on it, then you are lost, because how much this $5 will reach $100 for me to cash out. That's how it is. So just stay tuned. You have to be consistent, you have to be dedicated. Yes, you have to be consistent, be dedicated, and then work on it very vigorously. There are people who are staying in the same Africa here, and they are making more money with sports betting. Okay, they are making a lot of money with the same channel. Yeah, this type of channels, because they are getting a lot of video views from it. Yeah, so if you get a lot of video views from it, then you are good to go. Okay, so that's how it is. You can also start something small. Don't just think of the money that you make, but build your audience small. At a point in time, you will be great. Thank you.
What you have to do is to use your Chrome browser to log into your YouTube Studio. Okay, so when you come to the YouTube Studio, you need to scroll down to this section where you can find your channel customization. Okay, after finding it, make sure you click on it. When it opens, you'll find something like this. Okay, this is where your profile or your channel profile will be showing, but you can have the home tab section. So we have to go to the home tab section. Okay, after going to the home tab section, you should know that the home tab section, you should turn it on. This black sign on my right side, you should make sure you turn it on. If it is off, YouTube will not recommend your videos. Okay, if it is off, YouTube will not recommend your videos. So immediately after watching this video, make sure you check it. Okay, and there are another settings that you need to do so that YouTube can promote your videos. Okay, so that your videos can be everywhere when people are watching it. You see, we have the channel trailer here. This is what YouTube will be showing to the people who have not subscribed. So you need to take a video which is eye-catching, or a video which is popular in your channel, or a video that people are likely to watch it in your channel. Okay, so you need to have a channel trailer. And this one to a featured video for returning subscribers. This one simplifies videos that your subscribers, people who have already subscribed and are searching for something or coming back to watch another video in your channel. This is what YouTube will be showing them. So this is the video YouTube will be showing them to attract them. This video, you can remove it, you can add it. Okay, you can add some video. So if you put a video there and you see that the video is not relevant that much, again, you can change it and bring in another video. You scroll down, you can see that we have for you sections. This area, you can click on the settings to read what they wrote there. You said this section will be only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. So content like short live streams, and then you need to check this section. Okay, if you check this section and you see that the section is for recent content alone, then you have to take it from here and take it to all content, because if you say recent content alone, that means your videos will only be recommended when you upload new content. All your old videos will not be recommended. So you need to make sure that it is on raise all content, okay, so that YouTube can promote all your content for you. So that is that for this side, and you can see your popular videos, or your videos may pop up here, and you can have short section. I've not had any short videos here. You can have your playlist here. Okay, your playlist, you need to also add your playlist, okay, so that YouTube can, when people are searching for them, they can be very easy for them to find your video. Okay, people can easily search for your videos and find it. You also have the single playlist. When you talk of this playlist, you need to have a playlist which is eye-catching. Okay, you need to find get a playlist that are meaningful, that provide service to the people, so that whenever they see this, they will like to watch more from the playlist, or whenever they are watching a video. Okay, whenever they are watching a video from that playlist, the playlist, other videos in the playlist will definitely pop up. Okay, without doing these settings, it will be very difficult for you to your videos to be shown. Okay, so we have the add section. This is where we are going to add everything, you see. So if initially when you come to your home tab, it's empty. Okay, it's empty. You have to add all these things to them. You have to add all these things. So you have to add your created playlist, your single playlist, double, or your live streams, everything here. You have to add this everything. So you have to come to this section, add section here. So when you click on this section, if those areas that have not been added, they will appear black, but those areas which has been added will appear unclickable. So you can see that I added a channel trailer, which is the first video that which is this one. So this is the channel trailer. Okay, this is the channel trailer, and the second one too is the sports light for returning subscribers. Okay, that one is the second video here. You can find this one. Okay, how to grow your YouTube channel in just 3 days. Okay, and then we also have your for you section, your videos and popular videos. If you want your popular videos to be showing to your audience, it can also be done by adding that part. You can have your short live now and then past streams. You can have upcoming live streams. You can have your single playlist, created a playlist. Okay, that means you have to create a playlist. You have multiple subscription. You can have future channels. Okay, you can have future channels. This one simplifies channels that you want to feature. Okay, if you have some channels that you want to feature them, you can add those ones to it. Okay, yes, if you have channels that you want to feature, you can just do that by adding those channel. Okay, doing that will also help you to collaborate with people. So if you have someone that is having a lot of followers on YouTube, okay, and you are free with a person, you can ask the person to feature your channel, so when his audience are watching, when people are watching his videos, your channel will also be pop up. Okay, The last thing I want to share with you is to create videos that are meaningful. Okay, create videos that people want to watch them. Create content or videos that people always search for it, so that every day you'll be getting views on your channel, so you will monetize in no time. By the time you realize, your videos may already taking boost. Okay, your videos may already going viral. So you have seen that YouTube is not the one responsible for your videos not to grow. It is you that is not doing the settings very well. Okay, you need to search for videos that is having viral content that are capable of going viral, or things that people are needed. Okay, your description, your tags should be things that people that are searchable, that people are likely to search them no matter what. If you have content that are searchable, people are willing to search it each and every day, you are going to blow. Okay, one of the reasons that and those big YouTubers, they normally grow, get views every day, is that they have already built their audience. So whether they name the video with searchable things or not, the subscribers alone will watch the video. YouTube will just take the video and post it. The more you build your audience, the more you are likely to get views every day on YouTube. So this is what I have for you. YouTube is not a scam. It's you that does not know how to go about your platform. So follow these tricks and you shall grow in no time. Thank you.